Hi there, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Vidmonial review. Today we're going to take a deep dive into what this video testimonial platform can do for you, how it can increase customers and increase authority to your website, e-commerce store, affiliate store, or whatever. In a nutshell, what Vidmonial is going to do is allow you to basically, if someone buys something from your store, it will automatically send them an email and offer them a discount or some kind of offer if they agree to put a review on your site, a review for the product that they bought. So pretty normal stuff. What Vidmonial is going to do is reward them if they give you a video testimonial. So it's going to be within the platform, within the link that you send to them. It's going to be really easy for them to do. So then on your website, on whatever products you're selling, you're going to have all these video testimonials, which gives you and your business a lot more trust, a lot more authority, so that other people don't hesitate when they go and view that same product. They're more likely to buy. As well as that, today I've also sourced some really cool bonuses for you that are going to go hand in hand with Vidmonial, so you get the absolute most out of it and you can really hit the ground running. Before we get into any of that, though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to be updated, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any reviews that are coming out in the future. Also, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, check out Vidmonial on your own or check out the bonuses I just mentioned. Simply click that link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, and that looks like this. At the top you have all the legal stuff, my contact details if you run into any problems. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the official Vidmonial sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons here, it will lock in all of these bonuses for you before sending you off to the sales page. If you do decide to buy, you'll get Vidmonial and all my bonuses together in one big package that you can access immediately. The first bonus I've gotten for you is called Internet Business Modules. Now, some of you out there are probably going to buy Vidmonial because it's going to help you with current stores that you already have. Some of you might not have even built a store yet. You're thinking that it's a good software to use. So I've thrown this in there. What this is a platform that is going to help you build an internet business, especially based around the selling of products. So a couple of really cool things you're going to learn here. Product launch secrets, advertising models that you can use, how to generate profits using e-commerce, and also a really good one is how to sell high-ticket products. There's a high-ticket program in there. So you can, if you're just starting up, this is really going to help you learn more about the e-commerce business, essentially. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Email List Management Secrets. So a big part of Vidmonial is that you are sending out emails to people and saying, oh, hey, look, thanks for buying the product. Can you leave a review? And I threw this bonus in there because if you're just sending out basic emails like that, you're probably not maximizing the amount of reviews that you're going to get back. So this product is going to help you out with that email list when you are getting sales and you are generating email lists so you can contact audiences and customers on your own terms. This is going to teach you things like list management, creating a personal list, throwing out affiliate content on your list, ad content, list building methods, how to manage your list, how to market to your list, and things like that. There's also a bit in there on copy so that when you are asking for that review, you can say it, you can use your words in a way that do trigger a response in people. The third bonus I've gotten for you is called Evergreen Leads. So this is really going to help you if you've built a store. I thought I'd throw this in there because this is a great product for generating leads. So if you're having problems getting sales, okay, that's why you're going to Vidmonial and trying to rely solely on testimonials. That is a good way, but before that, you actually want people to see those testimonials. This is going to help you get leads through social media, email, SEO. So some cool things in here. Also, how to create a landing page, free offers, marketing copy in 4 easy steps, writing up a follow-up email series. So if you're not getting your testimonial straight away, people are not responding, this will teach you how to follow up in the best way, how to follow up with prospects, Facebook ads, fan pages, Instagram, Reddit, things like that. This is all about generating leads, and it's all about managing those leads once you've gotten them. Back on the subject of copywriting, I've gotten you this product, $1 Million Copy. This is going to help you that when you are emailing those customers and asking for the review, This is going to go deep into copy. This is not only going to help you in those emails, it's going to help you, when you're selling products. If you've got a featured product, you can write good copy for that. You can write copy on your product descriptions. You can write good copy when you're advertising on social media, on Facebook or whatnot. That's going back to the last bonus, Evergreen Leads, we just talked about. Copywriting, knowing how to write decent copy, really important if you're selling, no matter how you're selling, e-com, affiliate, whatever. The next bonus I've gotten for you is Marketing Like a Pro, the ultimate guide to sales techniques and applying to your business today. So this is a really good read, so I thought I'd throw this in. And this goes into copywriting tips again. The nature of an offer. So if you're offering something, this is especially good later down the line when you've captured those emails and then you're putting new products on your store. You can pitch them within email, pitch them properly, know how to throw out an offer with good copy, with good structure and things like that. Another nugget in here is a chapter on what people really want and how you can fill that void, how to subtly hypnotize prospects. Pretty mysterious there, and things you must look out for as far as mistakes to avoid when you are creating online business. So if that all sounds good to you, is step 1, link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page. Step 2, you click on these buttons. That locks in your bonuses and sends you off to the sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this, checking out functions, features, testimonials and everything. Making sure that it is something that's going to help you. I'm pretty sure it is, especially if you're running an e-com store or you're selling products of any kind, drop shipping or whatnot. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this, as it is a JVZoo product. Under the green button will be Vidmonial and under the blue button will be the bonuses I just talked about. So easy peasy, you'll be able to get everything at the same time. I will say one thing though, quick word of warning is that this is a launch week offer, so keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it does go to 0, any discounts, coupons or any discount pricing that you're getting exclusively through my link and any bonuses, they will no longer be available. So basically the sooner you get in, the more you're gonna get for the lower price. So I do recommend you get in sooner rather than later. Right now we're gonna kick into a demo so you can see exactly what to expect with Vidmonial, so let's check that out.
In this video, we're going to go over how to use Vidmonial to automate the process of getting authentic video testimonials for you or your clients' products and services. Not only are testimonials, particularly video testimonials, the #1 asset to increase trust and improve conversions, but are now one of the most important materials to use in marketing and in ads campaigns to drive the traffic too. So Vidmonial is a fully cloud-based app, and once you log in, you'll be able to see a clean-looking dashboard that gives you some statistics on how well your video testimonial campaigns are converting and doing. Then to get started, navigate to where it says bonuses to begin adding ethical incentives and bonuses customers will receive if they leave the review. Even if customers had an amazing experience with your product, most of them are too busy to leave a written review, let alone a video review. So to increase the number of reviews you get, it's a great idea to reward your customers for their time in the form of an extra coupon code, an upgrade, a PDF, or some other bonus. Just click Add Bonus, fill out the information, and then click Add once done. You can go back and view the bonuses you've created and edit them at any time. Then begin creating your entire video review campaign by hitting the Add Campaign button. Fill it out and give it a name, a title, description, and customize the email response and subject. Now this is the email that will be sent to customers to confirm that they've successfully left a review and to deliver the incentive that you promised, so you don't have to waste time emailing every single person who successfully left a review the bonus that you promised. Finally, choose your bonus for the campaign. If you have one, hit save, and you're ready to start collecting testimonials. Then go to the View Campaign button and hit Generate Link. Vidmonial will give you a link that, when clicked, will lead your customers to a clean-looking page that reminds them of the product that they bought and walks them through the process of leaving a video testimonial quickly. First, they just enter their name and email plus the date and picture if they want. They can provide optional comments plus give it a star rating out of 5, including the ability to leave a half-star reviews. Finally, they can copy and paste a YouTube URL if their testimonial was pre-recorded in their own time, or use Vidmonial's built-in self-recording video technology to quickly give a testimonial on the fly. It'll automatically detect their mic and camera and allow them to quickly record the testimonial by just pressing Start Record. Finally, when they're done, they can hit stop record and finish, then review, and the testimonial will be submitted and stored right in Vidmonial instantly. To begin profiting from your testimonials, you can generate an embed code and copy and paste anywhere you want, including lead pages, ClickFunnels, WordPress, and more to display the actual testimonial. Now, Vidmonial will display the video in a nicely designed format along with star reviews and the picture too. But that's not all. Video testimonials are one of the best things to share on social media to drive traffic and build engagement, especially in Facebook ads campaigns and for YouTube channels. Vidmonial allows you to one-click share a review to any Facebook property in one click, as well as upload it to YouTube in just a few clicks to drive the traffic and build trust with your tribe as well. Finally, you can download the video to use in Facebook ads or repurpose however you want in your marketing. It's that simple to use. No complicated video creation or campaign setup needed for this one. Anyone can do this in a few clicks to make a drastic change in their marketing with what was previously one of the hardest assets to get, video testimonials.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on Vidmonial. And really quickly, if you go through the link in the description, you can find out the pricing. So we'll go through that really quickly. I will say that you only need the front end, which is starting off at $27 in order to access all of those bonuses, okay? So I'll just let you know, for $27, you're getting Vidmonial and all the bonuses that I just talked about. So front end includes features, listing on the sales page, plus commercial right option to use as a service for other businesses. So if you're an agency helping someone with their stores, you can use Vidmonial on their stores as well. The front end comes with a commercial license. The upgrade is Vidmonial 2.0 Diamond. Includes features for power users like schema for showing star reviews in Google, capture more video testimonials, 4K quality, and syndicate unlimited times to more networks, custom domain mapping, and exclusive diamond level bonuses. Vidmonial Diamond Lite is $29, so if you don't want all the features in Vidmonial Diamond, you can get a light version. So this will all be revealed to you when you do go through the buying process. You will see what Diamond is and what extra things you get, so you can decide whether it's right for you in your situation. Then you get Vidmonial Enterprise, so the ultimate version with the ability to run unlimited surveys and questionnaires for clients, also really powerful. An agency portal with a VA team member integration, funnel system, reseller rights, program for 100% profit, so you can resell Vidmonial on your own, rebrand it and such, as well as Vidmonial Autopilot Agency Training Suite, unlimited campaign features, and enterprise level bonuses. There's a light version of that too for $39. So with these 4 upsells, really, Diamond, Enterprise, and then Diamond Lite and Enterprise Lite, you can, as you're going through the buying process, you can see which one is right for you. You can also get Vidmonial 50 to 100 licenses with white label options, again, so you can resell it. You can sell white label access with your own branding and no installation needed to 100 people or 50 people, depending on how many clients you have if you're an agency. VidPages Agency is $29, a new app that creates video lead pages that help local clients get more leads and sales, drag and drop page creation technology, and domain publishing included. So yeah, again, another tool for you agency owners out there. So really is a ton of value here when you take into consideration what you're getting for, the lowest is $27. It also comes with a money back guarantee. So really for this price, not a lot to lose, hell of a lot to gain. If you do have any problems, definitely feel free to hit me up in the comments through social media or through my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody pretty quickly. I am checking all that multiple times a day. If not, if everything's fine, I hope you enjoy Vidmonial 2.0. I hope you love the bonuses that I've gotten for you, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.